Hello, see you again with me. Let me introduce myself, Laili, a master student in Kayat and Counseling at Semarang State University. On this occasion, I will present a paraphrasing of the theme of bullying in school, which I took from several journals. The journal that I took is I'm often alone on ethnographic studies, school linoles, and bullying in Sweden's elementary, cyberbullying among adolescents in Taiwan, Hong Kong, and mainland China, a cross-national study in China's society. And then there's the type of school matter in preventive bullying, knowledge, experience, and readiness to face bullying by students enrolled in public and private school in the Philippines. And then school bullying victims and post-traumatic stress symptom in adolescents, the mediating role of feeling of insecure and self-disclosure, and then the role of teacher in the bullying involvement of student with emotional and behavioral difficult. Okay, and background of study. Bullying remains a major problem in many schools despite intensive effort to avoid and minimize incident of bullying. Dietrich Sinside, Sinbrek et al. Children and young people state that they fit in flutter exclude from school. Although research has shown ways that school can do is bullying is association with risk variable in many contexts of ecological layer. Few think about its factor except for the people direction involved in the example of operation included macro and exosystem layer. Previous research suggested that children with emotional and behavioral difficult ABD are more susceptible to contribution direction to bullying dynamic. To that, no research has examined how teacher emotional support and encouraging work and involvement influences ABD student involvement in bullying. Post-traumatic stress symptom PTSS are recognized a common problem for victims of school bullying. However, it is still unclear what causes PTSS to occur simultaneously with bullying at school. There is no single difference of bullying that everyone agrees on certain three characteristics of aggressive interpersonal interaction are commonly seen criteria for bullying behavior compared to other behavior. And then IMS, the research short in investigation their study and experience with bullying and isolated at school. They trick at all. This research was influenced by the following question. What what are the experience of students who experience bullying in isolation at school? How can the bullying and isolation at school experienced by students be understood by those who are not directly involved in the bullying situation? Other research looked at how adolescents self-disclare and emotional of security influenced the relationship between school bullying and PTTS. The aim of this study was to ascertain whether The atmosphere of teacher-student interaction and the emotional support provided by teacher has an impact to the relationship between bullying involvement and ABD in children. This is study examines the prevalence of acts of cyberbullying and explore the characteristic and difference and the rank order of cyberbullying and victimization behavior as well as the relationship of gender and grade level to cyberbullying. And then method um, self-report questionnaires were asked to access 5,013 adolescents. 443 of the with school bullying experience were selected to carry out this study. In this care, 755 high school students from public and private school were randomly selected to conduct a poll regarding how prepared they were to face bullying. Among the their society are using cross societal probability data consisting of adults from Hong Kong, mainland China, and Taiwan, finding so that insult in prepare they in prepare finding so that insult in cyber and commonplace and is cyberbullying. In her long class session facilitated by teacher who agreed to take part in the study, cross-sectional studying data on student ABD, the quality of teacher-student relationship in the classroom, the teacher-student relationship climate at school and student representation of their role as bullying were collection of or being a victims in the school context where collection except this teacher were give instruction on how to administration to survive online or on paper in their classroom at a time and that of their choosing. They also have the option to conduct survey. Albat 5. Okay, next untuk and then discussion finding indicated that being a victim of bullying at school was directly related to more PTSS indirectly related to more PTSS though insecure emotional and indirectly relate to more PTSS though the palm from insecure feeling to self-declare. However, victims perpetrated by school bullies did not have a indirect impact on PTS dog and the one-step self-declare effect. The most common type of cyberbullying in insult. The rank or the of behavior in various sociality show more in clothing that comfort them. Men are more likely to report crimes committed. There were no gender discrimination in victims. It has been proven It has been proven that across all societies, The level gap in cyberbullying is small of insignificant. This study suggests that although the relationship between cyberbullying and various behavior as well as the ranking order of the behavior might differ. Okay, next conclusion. The result of the study show how bullying interaction are associated with multiple setting of layer of the bullying ecology because students as a variety of different reference point to access themselves, peer, and other in social situation. They contemporaries this finding suggests that the relationship between school bullying victims and PTTS in moderate with feeling of insecurity and self-disclare. Teenage feeling of insecurity should be reduced with psychological service and giving them more opportunities to talk about their experience of bullying. Uh, Other major research finding is that administrator, teacher, and other school staff member need to take the independent dynamic of the bullying ecological more seriously. The result of subsequent research also showed that teacher conditioned effort to improve the school relationship climate were the only relevant factor to explain ABD student involvement in bullying. It is generally expected that students enrolled at this institute will have a different campus experience that those enrolled at public institution because the Philippines has historical had a number of private school and is the only predominantly Christian countries in Asia. However, bullying significant hither supported climate in today's school, so it must be fully investigated and reflected in the academic environment. Research recommendation the relationship between social support and self-accepted in increasing the resilience of bullying victims. Okay, thank you.